G'day guys, it's Tommy here from Raw Blend. Today I'm going to make a real simple smoothie recipe. I absolutely love this recipe. It's my Minty Fresh Smoothie. You're going to absolutely love it, so let's get blending. Today I'm using the Vitamix A3500i. This is Vitamix's top of the line model. Looks beautiful in the stainless steel finish. And I'm actually using the new 1.4 litre container. So it's a smaller size container and perfectly suits this smoothie recipe I'm making. Okay, so I've got some nice fresh grapes in here. A nice sweet flavor. It's gonna make this smoothie taste amazing. I've got a whole apple. Just gonna cut the apple into quarters and I'm gonna put in the seeds, the stem, the peel, 100% goes in. Just got one wedge of lime. And I'm gonna use the peel as well, and some fresh mint. I do absolutely love mint. I have it in my smoothies every single day. Beautiful freshness to it. And you can put as much or as little in here as you like. I like to go overboard. I'm gonna put that much in, I think is gonna be delicious. And just some ice to keep it cold. So just about 1 to 2 cups of ice. Gonna lock our lid into place. Put our lid cap in. Now, one of the great things about the A3500i is that it actually has a smoothie setting. So I'm gonna hit that. So it comes up 40 seconds. So this blender actually recognizes the container size I'm using and adjusts the blending time to suit. So if I was using the 2 litre container, this would say 50 seconds. So that's a pretty cool feature. Press start and away we go. Okay, so that's it. We've finished blending. It only took 40 seconds and I've got a delicious Minty Fresh smoothie. Let's try some of that. It smells so good. Oh, look at that. Beautiful smooth consistency. Nice cold drink. How good does that look? You can put some vodka in here, some Bacardi. This goes absolutely beautifully with alcohol, but I'm just doing a healthy version today, of course. Let's try some. So good. Gotta try this recipe. I think you'll like it. If you've got any questions or any comments, please leave them below. Happy blending.